In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the first step in assigning resources to a project. This includes creating a resource pool to draw from. Under the Task tab, click on the drop-down menu under the Gantt chart to access the resource sheet. Here we see a spreadsheet that is set up so we can enter information regarding the resources that we have available to us for this project, whether they involve people or materials. For simplicity's sake, let's say that there are only two types of individuals needed for this project. We have software engineers and we have hardware engineers. We assign a group code, such as SWE for our software engineers and HWE for our hardware engineers. We need to understand that MS Project manages resources in terms of percentages. This 100%, which is the default, indicates that there is one person available to work full-time on this project. If we have 3 software engineers available to work full-time, we would simply enter 300% here. Let's say for hardware engineers, we have one person available full-time and another available half-time. In this situation, we would enter 150%. Another thing to keep in mind is that when we group multiple resources together by name or profession, these individuals are interchangeable. All 3 of our software engineers, in this case, are capable of doing the same type of work. No distinctions are made in terms of experience, abilities, or preferences, and no distinctions are made in terms of salary. With this in mind, let's say that we want to recognize that some of our software engineers have more experience and a wider range of ability. In this case, it is best to simply enter their names. For example, Mary and Rachel. And we will indicate that both of these are software engineers. Mary is available full-time. But let's say Rachel is only available half-time. When it comes time to assigning resources in the future, we can assign Mary and Rachel to specific tasks or activities that we feel they would be best at successfully completing. We can also differentiate them by setting a different rate or pay rate for them. We would not be able to make these assignments if Mary and Rachel were included in the pool of software engineers here.